magta-travel kami mamaya 3 o'clock, which is in 30 minutes going to Pattaya. Originally, dapat punta kami ng Rayong, but nung ni-research ko siya to like see tourist spots in Rayong, kita ko parang malapit na siya sa Pattaya. That's why pupunta muna kami ng Pattaya. I think we will be staying there for 2 days, and then we will head na sa Rayong. So I'll update you later. Bye!
On the way, you stop in ATM.
ATM. Bangkok.
Bangkok or Pattaya, wherever.
Where you are ATM?
Bangkok?
Bangkok ATM.
Yeah, Bangkok ATM. Anywhere. Any ATM. Okay.
Lumabas na rin po para uwi. So now, going back sa sasakyan. You didn't go out. See? You can go down, huh? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Zoom this. Yeah, mga yan. So we have arrived here in Pattaya. I'll update later. This is the view kung gabi. Nice. That's it. For dinner, nag-order lang kami ng Grab. And so, inaantay ko siya kasi tumating na yung Grab. This is our dinner. KFC. So, you can see, nag-start na kami.